This is dark compound chocolate, and the dairy milk which you are eating, that is milk chocolate. So how many types of chocolates we have? 3. So here I cut these chocolates into pieces and I melt it. Here we don't have microwave or gas now, so I have already melted. This is milk chocolate, this is white chocolate, and this is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate. So how many types of chocolates we will make today? 3 types of chocolates we will make. So all